Hello, my name is Sean Smith of Instafloor, and I would like to introduce the new revolutionary Insta-Lay peel and stick system for installing luxury vinyl tiles, or LVTs as they're known in the flooring industry. Insta-Lay is a self-adhesive cushion acoustic underlay system that makes installing luxury vinyl tiles fast and clean. It also solves many of the challenges associated with LVT installations. Insta-Lay is made using recycled rubber crumb granules, therefore it's environmentally friendly and doesn't degrade or collapse over time. This makes Insta-Lay the perfect underlay system for LVT flooring. So what are the real benefits of using Insta-Lay for the installation of luxury vinyl tiles? Firstly, Insta-Lay has the ability to mask minor subfloor imperfections, preventing costly screening processes and thereby reducing installation times. Because Insta-Lay removes the need for wet adhesives, it prevents the risk of adhesion problems associated with using the incorrect notch trowel or late placement into the adhesive. LVTs are subject to expansion and contraction as temperature rises and falls. Insta-Lay provides a slip membrane that moves with the tiles, holding the joins together and maintaining their integrity. Insta-Lay also provides a high-performance acoustic system, reducing impact sound, and creates an anti-fatigue cushion floor for greater comfort. Let's now take a step-by-step look at how to install an LVT floor with the Insta-Lay peel and stick underlay. Today we're installing a square-edged wide plank LVT manufactured by Adore Floors. This tile will be installed on the Insta-Lay 30HG, a 3mm underlay system with a high grab adhesive membrane. Installing the floor for us will be Paul Miles, who is an experienced member of the Instafloor team. You will notice that the floor has minor imperfections that would normally require screeding of the whole floor before the LVT could be installed. This is to prevent imperfections grinning through the floor finish. All we need to do is sweep the floor of all loose debris and start laying the underlay system, because Insta-Lay will mask these minor imperfections. If there are more significant imperfections in the floor, small localised repairs can be made before laying the underlay system. The Insta-Lay peel and stick system is suitable for concrete and timber subfloors. Always check the moisture content of concrete floors and install an appropriate DPM if required. Before the installation, the LVT should be conditioned in strict accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Before you start laying Insta-Lay, give thought to the direction of the joins in the LVT floor, because it is important that the joins of the underlay run in the opposite direction to the joins on the finished floor. Insta-Lay is now loose laid without bonding over the full installation area, making sure debris isn't trapped underneath the underlay. Insta-Lay is laid rubber side down, leaving the adhesive membrane protected by the release film on top, ready to adhere the floor tiles. You will notice that Insta-Lay has been loose laid and no wet adhesives are necessary, providing a fast, clean installation. It is important to make sure that all the joins in the Insta-Lay are tight and there are no gaps or overlaps in these joins. Setting out the LVTs on Insta-Lay is very easy. There are various ways of setting out tiles, and we're just showing you one way to do this. We would suggest you follow the setting out instructions of the LVT manufacturer. With the release film still in place, set out the first few rows of LVTs. Once you are satisfied that floor has been set out correctly, the installation can commence. Notice how Paul is able to lightly scribe through the release film and expose the adhesive only in the area he will be working in immediately. Be careful not to cut through the underlay during this process. It is important to ensure that no dust or dirt contaminates the adhesive membrane once it is exposed. With Insta-Lay peel and stick, you don't need to allow an open time for the adhesive. An installation can commence immediately once the adhesive membrane has been exposed. Start laying the first row of LVTs by placing them gently onto the exposed adhesive membrane, ensuring that each LVT gives a tight join. Do not apply too much downward pressure onto the newly placed LVTs initially, so that if any tile needs to be repositioned, it can be uplifted from the adhesive membrane and repositioned as required. Just notice how easy it is for Paul to reposition the tile if required. Once each LVT has been positioned correctly, press the tile firmly into the adhesive membrane to lock it in place and ensure good adhesion. The bond between the LVT and the adhesive membrane will strengthen with increasing downward pressure. Always allow the correct expansion gap around the perimeter of the floor. Once the LVTs have been installed back to the starting wall, then the installation can be continued in incremental sections by removing the release film in stages across the remaining floor. Notice how clean and fast the installation is because wet adhesives are not necessary. The installer doesn't need to take time carefully cleaning all the joins of any wet adhesive that may seep through after placement of the LVT. Installay really does provide a fast, clean installation method that saves time and money. Installay can also be used to install LVTs over most types of existing floor coverings. In these situations, care should be taken to ensure that the existing floor is sound in all respects. As you've just seen from this installation, Installay performs to exceptional standards when bonding an LVT floor. Installay allows the LVT floor to expand and contract, providing a slip membrane that ensures all joins stay tight and maintain their integrity. This solves traditional problems that are experienced when LVTs are bonded directly to the subfloor with wet adhesives. Installay swatch samples and product brochures are available from the Instafloor website and from our distributors. This latest installation certainly provides a glimpse into the future of a new installation technology powered by Installay. Installay peel and stick adhesive underlays reduce subfloor preparation, enhance acoustic performance, provide anti-fatigue cushioning, eliminate wet adhesives altogether, reduce installation times, and is compatible with underfloor heating. Finally, Installay is also covered by a 15-year guarantee for registered LVT installations, providing installers with total peace of mind.